Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Lemon Squeezy tax and invoices for US sellers, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Lemon Squeezy tax and invoices for US sellers, begin by logging into your Lemon Squeezy account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your products and sales. Look for the settings option in the side menu. Click on settings to access the various configuration options. Next, find and select the tax section within the settings menu. In the tax section, you will see options to set your tax rates. Locate the area relevant for US tax, which includes state-specific tax settings. Input the current tax rates based on your state's requirements. Remember to review any applicable local taxes that may also impact the total. After entering the tax rates, be sure to save your changes. Next, move to the Invoices section in the Settings menu. In the Invoices section, ensure that your business information is accurate. Add your company name, address, and any required identification numbers. Customize the invoice template to include clear tax details. Once the invoice template is updated, save these changes as well. Now, test a sample invoice to ensure that tax rates are applied correctly. Generate a new invoice for a test product to verify the updates. Review the generated invoice to check if the tax reflects the correct rates. If everything looks correct, you are now set to issue invoices with updated tax information. Finally, make sure to keep your tax info updated regularly as rates may change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.